TalkTonic AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's the next big thing in AI software, you're in the right place. In this review, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about TalkTonic AI, and I'll even show you how you can try it out for free. Stick around till the end because I'll share a few personal insights about how this software could transform your workflow. First, let's talk about what TalkTonic AI actually does. At its core, this software is designed to revolutionize the way businesses interact with customers. It helps automate customer support, marketing outreach, and even sales funnels. What makes TalkTonic unique is its ability to merge deep learning with natural language processing to give your business a voice that's almost indistinguishable from a human's. That's right. The AI doesn't just spit out canned responses. It adapts and personalizes interactions based on customer behavior, making it a powerhouse for engagement. Second, TalkTonic's integration capabilities are top tier. If you're already using tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, or any major CRM, you'll be pleased to know that TalkTonic seamlessly integrates with them. You can sync all your customer data and even automate workflows across platforms. This feature alone makes it an incredibly time-saving tool, as it eliminates the need for manual input or juggling between multiple software. Third, the natural language generation that powers TalkTonic is incredibly advanced. Not only can it respond to customer queries with fluid, conversational responses, but it also learns over time. This means the more interactions your system has, the better and more intuitive it becomes at understanding nuances, slang, and even regional dialects. For businesses, this leads to a drastic improvement in customer satisfaction and retention rates. Moving on to the fourth crucial point, pricing. While TalkTonic AI offers a free trial that lets you experience its full potential, you may wonder about its pricing tiers after that. Unlike other AI tools that can get ridiculously expensive as you scale, TalkTonic offers transparent and flexible pricing, allowing businesses of all sizes to afford and benefit from its capabilities. Plus, if you're a new user, the free trial should give you ample time to explore everything it has to offer before making a commitment. Next up, the fifth feature is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, TalkTonic is built to scale with you. Its cloud-based architecture ensures that it can handle increasing amounts of customer data without losing performance. As your business grows, TalkTonic grows with you, which is key for long-term success. The sixth thing you should know is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get TalkTonic up and running. Its user interface is intuitive, and the setup process is streamlined. The dashboard allows you to monitor customer interactions, track AI performance, and make necessary adjustments without a steep learning curve. This means you can start using TalkTonic and see results right away. Finally, the seventh point. TalkTonic's customer support is excellent. While the software is incredibly easy to use, there may still be questions along the way. That's where TalkTonic excels with its dedicated support team. They offer 24/7 assistance, and their live chat feature is one of the quickest I've encountered in any AI software. This is crucial for ensuring you're never left in the dark when you need help. So now that you've got an idea of what TalkTonic AI can do, remember that you can try this cutting-edge software completely free from the link in the description below. If you've been looking for an AI solution to supercharge your customer interactions and boost business efficiency, this might just be the one. Before you go, make sure to check out my recommended AI software in the description. I've tested thousands of them, and I'm only sharing the best with you.